One of my favorite projects that I did was I recreated a A$AP Rocky song where I used warehouse instruments, bottle caps, everything that was available to me in the studio, and I recreated a song with that. Cool thing about the A$AP one was that not only did I work with Guzman on the video editing side and how to cut up the videos, but then I worked with Kenny because some of the bottles, maybe they weren't the right audio frequency and we had to pitch them down. So it was like this massive project that every single person in the studio was helping me work on. That was by far my favorite project because everybody in the studio was involved. And I mean, there's nothing cooler than that because that's what the filmmaking process is supposed to be. It's supposed to be a collective unit making the best video possible.